Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
I am looking after my little sister.
I am looking after my little sister.
I am dressing up as a superhero.
I am dressing up as a superhero.
I am turning off the lights.
I am turning off the lights.
I am picking up my toys.
I am picking up my toys.
I am running out of crayons.
I am running out of crayons.
I am putting on my shoes.
I am putting on my shoes.
I am heading out to the park.
I am heading out to the park.
I am sitting down for dinner.
I am sitting down for dinner.
I am waking up early.
I am waking up early.
I am holding on to the swing.
I am holding on to the swing.
I am getting on the school bus.
I am getting on the school bus.
I am coming back home soon.
I am coming back home soon.
I am looking forward to the movie.
I am looking forward to the movie.
I am going over my homework.
I am going over my homework.
I am taking off my hat.
I am taking off my hat.
I am keeping up with my friends.
I am keeping up with my friends.
I am thinking about my birthday wishes.
I am thinking about my birthday wishes.
I am cleaning up my room.
I am cleaning up my room.
I am moving on to the next game.
I am moving on to the next game.
I am getting off the train.
I am getting off the train.
I am watching out for the puddle.
I am watching out for the puddle.
I am jumping in the pool.
I am jumping in the pool.
I am hanging out with my friends.
I am hanging out with my friends.
I am looking up at the stars.
I am looking up at the stars.
I am turning around in circles.
I am turning around in circles.
I am reaching out for the cookie jar.
I am reaching out for the cookie jar.
I am crossing out the wrong answers.
I am crossing out the wrong answers.
I am plugging in the nightlight.
I am plugging in the nightlight.
I am throwing away the trash.
I am throwing away the trash.
I am calling out for my dog.
I am calling out for my dog.